guys, welcome back. As you can see, all the boxes here, everything from the attic is already here. I didn't say hi.
Hi.
Say how are you guys?
Are you guys?
A good job. Can I get a kiss? Oh, thank you. You're so kind. Alright, so today's a big day because today we are gonna go do Bhumi Pujan for our new house. As you guys know, we are very excited. So we're gonna take you guys with us. We are doing it on our own. We are not having a priest because Mayank knows the ritual, and as long as you do it from your heart, that's all matters, I guess. So we are doing that. And then also our new neighbors are gonna come today in the new place to do their puja, so we'll introduce you guys to them as well. Very excited, so let's go. Before we go, Mayank is packing up all the stuff for the puja, so let me show you guys what all he is doing here. Our pandit.
Pandit for the day.
Pandit for the day, yes.
So this box is basically your doodh, dahi, shahad, kumkum, chawal.
Okay.
And then we have our nariyal over here.
Okay.
So I'm just packing it in a way so
Napkins.
And then we have our bouncy towel. Very important.
Okay, baby, I'll give you 1 second.
And then this has all the stuff related to puja samagri, which is your
Incense
aarti,
stick, yeah.
incense stick,
Lighter.
bell,
1 second, baby, I'm coming.
puja thali, and then I have the bell, Ganesh ji, and
The snakes? The snake bar? In the
they're
car.
in the car.
We did go and buy Mr. and Mrs.
Mr. and Mrs.
Mr.
Nag.
and Mrs. Nag today for the puja.
And we have kumkum and everything, and I got Ganesh ji.
And what is that? Fruits?
Oh, yes, this needs to go in. This is
Flour, and we
flour.
also have to keep the fruits. 5 fruits.
Yes.
We are by no means professional in doing all these things, but from YouTube, from our parents, whatever they told us, we're just doing like that.
What do you want, baby?
Okay, come on, I'll give you more.
What do you
He wants the s'more clusters. S'mores, baby, here.
You want more?
So we got this s'mores cluster from Costco, and they're like
Like this?
so good.
It's a small cluster.
Like this?
And then I also got these from Walmart. They are Brookside dark chocolate with pomegranate inside. Oh my god. Mine's blowing. Nugget, 5 fruits, 1 sweet, milk, yogurt, honey, ganga jal, flowers, Ganesh ji, a pan for abhishek, kumkum, rice, water, essence stick, lighter, ghee, diya, puja thali, something to sit down on.
Oh, something to sit down on.
You want a bed sheet or something?
I mean, we should take our what? वो जो mud proof whatever that is.
Oh, it's a beach thing. Marvel, no! And be careful.
अब वो जरा निकल के देगा.
You want a bowl?
तुम बताओ जिस पे भी बैठना. Basically, you know how the mud is there. And कल ही बारिश हुई है रात भर.
This morning we went to get all the stuff, and then most of the ingredients are all like simple stuff like ghee, dahi, all that we have it at home. So yeah, we're excited for it, and we are also taking something to dig so we can put the nagin inside. I mean, I had no idea about this ritual until yesterday, and then I googled, and then we spoke to our parents, and they told us, yeah, you do this stuff. So we're gonna probably do that, and I'm very excited for you guys to meet our neighbors. We have already met them before, so it's gonna be fun. So yeah, I don't want to say more about it right now, but when you meet them, you will you'll meet them, I guess. Alrighty, we are ready and on our way. Aiden, where are we going?
On the puja!
Yes, we're gonna go to puja.
And fruit!
And fruits, yeah, we're gonna get.
No!
And what?
No! No!
Flower?
Flower!
Yeah.
For puja.
For puja, yes.
And we have, what god do we have? Which god are we?
By the new house, yes.
Yeah. Which god are we taking?
Hmm?
The elephant god
And
Puja.
and snake.
and the
Yay.
yeah.
Go away.
Anyways, so let's go, and then we'll see you again when we reach there. And Aiden is passed out. All right, and that's our land. All right, let's get out and show you. There it is. I am so excited. Cannot wait for the house to start building here. All right, Mayang is setting.
Can you
Sit on the corner, baby.
इसके वो नहीं उतारे ना? चलो बैठ जाओ. Sit.
All right, sit, baby.
Sit here, okay?
We are setting up here. What do you have in your hand, Aiden? Wow. Aiden, this is where the new house is gonna build. Are you excited? Yeah? Right, this is the Nagin that we got today.
Nagin.
Nagin?
Nag or Nagin?
Nagin.
This is Nag, this is Nagin.
Yeah, Nagin. What did I say?
Nagin.
Something is wrong with my camera. It's not working. So we're gonna use the phone now. And come on this side, baby. You wanna sit here? इसमें बैठा दूँ क्या?
पानी की बोतल लाना.
लेके आऊँ? या दूध से यूज कर लगे वो अगर वो रोली करना है.
नहीं वो तो मैं यूज कर लूँगा. एंड में धो के रखना तो.
तब मैं बॉटल ले आऊँगी चलो.
Yes, we'll do it, baby. 1 second.
Hi, dear.
Let's see what Daddy is doing. And say hi to the camera over there. Hi.
Alright, I think you want, let's do the puja, baby. Come here. Come. Yeah, you're gonna do the puja, okay? Yes. Now, I'm gonna show you what to do, okay? Yes, we'll
That's
break
coconut.
that. We'll break the coconut, okay? Now here, see? Here, bring your hand. Now first, let's put milk.
उसको दिया नहीं जलाना?
1 second, wait. तो पूजा
More now.
now put this.
Oh, Daddy.
Now put this.
Honey,
Honey.
holding it. It's falling.
Close till I get up.
Did you break it already? Okay. No, don't put it there, baby. All done.
Say namaste. Say namaste to the god.
Hold your hands, say God.
All done.
All done.
Good job.
Right, we're done with the puja. Everything went great, and then our new neighbors are also here. They also did their puja. So let me introduce you guys to them. So, are you guys? Nitish and Ashley are our new neighbors. We got the house right next to each other. This is our land. This is their land. So yeah, We all did the puja together today. I mean, how perfect can it get? Like, we got the house literally right next to each other. Like, literally. I can just open my window and say, hey Ashley, what's cooking? So yeah, we are very excited about that. And we cannot wait for our house to be built. What? Yeah. So, yeah. That was a surprise. We have been keeping for a very long time, but now it's revealed. We are standing at the end of our property line, and that's where Ashley is standing, is literally the starting of the property line. It's like so huge, and that whole side,
details about how the house is and things.
That whole side is Nitish, that side, so it's like literally this big portion. Wow. We have so many amazing ideas to do in this house. It is huge. This is the first time I came to this at like literally at the end of the property, and it is huge. Wow. So that was the reveal. We have been keeping it inside us for so long, and I'm finally so excited to let you guys know that once we move, the content is gonna change completely, because we're gonna have them as our neighbors, and it's gonna be so much fun. And just, yeah, we feel so grateful and blessed to be living close to each other. So yeah, Aiden is sleeping right now, so I'm just editing some videos. But yeah, that was the day, and I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys next time.